Hello you guys, today I am going to be sharing with you my curly hair routine, and I wanted to share it with you because I've noticed that a lot of routines can get pretty complicated and pretty expensive, and mine is neither of those things. I use just one styling product to achieve this look, so to find out the technique that I use and which product that is, stay tuned. It's Wednesday night and that means it is wash night, so I'm on day 4 hair here and you can see that it is pretty big and crazy. So today I'm going to be using Dove's Advanced Moisture Shampoo. I do like to make sure that I scrub my scalp very thoroughly and make sure that I scrub especially along the hairline and making sure to get underneath the hair as well in that hairline near the base of the neck. So scrub real good, kids. But make sure to still be very careful and gentle with your delicate curls as well. For conditioner, I'm going to be using Mane & Tail's Deep Moisture Conditioner. I'm going to be using about 3 pumps this size, and watch what I'm doing here because I make sure to coat all of my hair in the conditioner and I use my fingers to apply it evenly throughout my hair. Once I've applied the conditioner evenly throughout my hair, I grab my comb and I start to comb through every section of hair to get out any knots. I spend a few minutes going over and over every section until I can comb through my entire head of hair multiple times without the comb getting caught on any snags. I'm very thorough and I don't stop until that comb can glide through the hair very easily. After rinsing out the conditioner, I wring my hair with my hands, and so watch here to see exactly how I do this. I'm really careful not to do anything that would disrupt my natural curl pattern. Next, I grab my cotton t-shirt to dry my hair even further. I use a t-shirt instead of a towel because towels can cause frizz, and that is exactly what I don't want. And now here it is, my only styling product, Aussie's Instant Freeze Gel, which costs about $5 at Target or Walmart. I squeeze a generous amount into my palm and then watch how I comb it through my hair section by section. So this part's actually really important, and the more thorough that I am about getting every piece of hair coated in the gel, the better my results are going to be. So I really take my time with this. So next I flip my head over and I apply a 3rd dollop of gel to my hair by scrunching it in. So notice how I'm no longer raking my fingers through my hair. I'm now grabbing fistfuls of the hair while flipped over to get the outside of that hair coated in the gel and sort of scrunched into a curl-like formation. Next, I grab my t-shirt again, and then I continue this same scrunching motion with the t-shirt just to get out any excess moisture and excess gel. So I've allowed my hair to air dry for about 2 hours, and you can see that because I haven't touched it at all, it's laying very flat to my head and it's looking pretty crunchy. So I'm going to use my diffuser and my El Chin blow dryer to complete the drying process and give it that extra volume and scrunch out the crunch, as the curly girls say, which basically means that I'm going to be breaking that cast that the gel has formed over the hair so that it feels nice and soft instead of crunchy. And because I've allowed my hair to air dry, I only need to spend about 5 minutes diffusing it, and that's great because the less heat that you use on your hair, the better. Plus, it's also a lot less work, so I love that. Once I've finished diffusing, I use my fingers to fluff out the hair a bit and arrange the pieces around until it looks how I want it to look. I actually think my hair looks better after I've slept on it for a night, so I'm going to show you how I tie my hair up to go to sleep. It's pretty rad, and by rad I mean it's straight out of the 80s or early 90s. Alright, so it's the next day and you can see that my ponytail has stayed in place, so I'm just actually going to leave it up while I get some makeup on. Much better. So now I'm going to use my fingers to fluff it up again. Curly hair has a mind of its own, so you kind of just have to play around with it and use your fingers to move pieces of hair here and there until you achieve the look that you're going for.